Oh, you alright?
Yeah.
Sorry, dude. Yeah, I'm hit too. We totally panic shot each other. Oh, so sorry, dude. So sorry.
So this is my second to last video with the scope cap in the way. There's a second part to this coming up afterwards that continues a longer match that we had. But after this, I've removed it, I've fixed it. You'll see a lot clearer what I'm actually shooting at from here on out. So thank you for your patience.
Oh, hit. Nice shot, dude. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Okay. No. Oh, hit. I had my gun on safe. I was like, damn it.
How does that happen?
So the next match is 4 of them versus 3 of us, but they were relatively new. And we're going to show a little piece here at the beginning, and then there's going to be a longer gameplay video following up as a second part to this, where I swap teams to help them out.
Oh, you alright?
Yeah.
Sorry, dude. Yeah, I'm hit too. We totally panic shot each other. Oh, so sorry, dude. So sorry. He's gonna have a mark, man. Like point blank.